In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text link on Reddit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn regular words in your post into clickable links that send people to a website, an article, a video, or anything else you want to share. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account and that you're on the subreddit where you want to post. At the top of the page, you'll see a button labeled Create or Create a Post. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the post editor where you can write your title and the main body of your post. Start by adding a clear title so people know what your post is about. Then, in the main text box, type in the text you want to include in your post. This can be a sentence, a paragraph, or even a longer explanation. Think about where in your text you want the link to appear. It's usually best to link a specific word or short phrase that clearly describes what people will see when they click it, like full article, official website, or the name of the resource. Once you've typed your text, highlight the exact word or phrase you want to turn into a link. With that text selected, look for the link icon in the formatting toolbar above the text box. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on that icon and a small window or field will appear asking for the URL. Now go to the website or page you want to link to and copy the full web address from your browser's address bar. Make sure it starts with HTTP or HTTPS, so Reddit recognizes it as a valid link. Then go back to your Reddit post editor and paste that link into the URL field. After pasting, confirm or insert the link. You'll see that the text you highlighted is now formatted